Happy New Year. Oh, wait.
Yeah, well, for you.
It's the 6th of January. Yeah, it's the first time in 2026 I'm here at the station.
Yeah.
About time I show up.
Yeah, wow. I was getting worried there.
You know I'll be back.
I know. You can't help yourself.
Yep.
You missed Gib.
Just like
So
a
you had to come
magnet.
back.
I'm just drawn to this place. In case you're brand new to this, hopefully you'll stick around for a bit. I'm Brendan here with Heather. We got Gib in the back. And we're based in northern Michigan.
Yeah, we're the morning team. And so we do a morning show in Traverse City, but we cover 26 counties in northern Michigan with our area and forecast area too.
Bureaus all over the place.
Bureaus all over the place too to help cover those areas that are further drive from our base here in town. Brendan's the morning anchor and I'm the morning meteorologist.
Yep.
And Gib is our director in the back.
He's
He just goes by Gib.
He's a resident comedian. And we're already seeing people comment. We love to hear like what Chris is doing and Susan and people like that.
Yeah, all the Susans, all 5 of them.
Yeah, we're up to 5.
Yep. Telling
5
Allie
Susans,
about that yesterday. Like, this is a new Susan. Yeah.
Yep.
So we like our returning friends, but we also love those new faces. So we like to hear your weather report when you chime in around this time at our digital studio.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then Chris, don't you worry, we'll show you the new studio.
Yeah.
We're just a couple weeks away from the last check.
Yeah.
On when everything's going to be ready.
Yeah, and the important people that need to make behind the scenes happen and all the wiring and coding and things, they're here. So we're making progress, although visually it looks pretty similar to what we've been showing you the last couple of weeks, but we'll still check in, show you. Yeah.
Exactly. And we'll read your comments and things like that, and your guesses to the weather quiz.
Yeah. So weather quiz this morning, we're talking about January saying because we are now past those first 3 days. So finish this saying, the first 3 days of January rule the start of spring, the coming 3 months, or upcoming snow totals.
From the Farmer's Almanac, apparently.
Old Farmer's Almanac.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you ask where I get these things.
And then she tells us.
I'll give you my source.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, 3 big things with our forecast. So temperatures will be at or above normal right through the rest of the week. So we're slowly going to be warming up today and Thursday and even Wednesday. But temperatures hovering close to normal. Southern system will swipe through the area today, so that wintry mix south of the TC Alpena line is why we're waking up to some slick road conditions. We did see another round of some schools closed this morning. A mix of snow to start next weekend, potentially snow Saturday, some of which will start off as rain, especially south of the bridge, and then that snow into the early part of Sunday. Radar and satellite showing you where the freezing rain is early this morning, indicating the pink colors through mid-Michigan. So if our friends watching in those southern areas through downstate, a messy system, and then through parts of southern part of Wexford, you're kind of seeing more of a freezing rain mixture with the pink and the green colors. More of that rain closer to Manistee, but it could still see freezing on the roadways. Temperatures hovering around freezing. Mason County closer to Ludington. Rain and then even some snow mixing in there. Some rain closer to northern Oceana County. Lake, you're seeing more of that rain. And then Osceola, Clare, freezing rain. Parts of Gladwin County saw some early freezing rain. Mills, you're waking up to freezing rain. So it's going to be slick, especially south. That's where we're hovering around freezing this morning. 31 right now in Houghton Lake, 32 in Cadillac, Big Rapids, 33 in Mount Pleasant, 30 in Rogers City, 30 on Drummond Island, Mackinac Island, Pelston, and 25 in Sault Ste. Marie. Now, we're also dealing with some areas of fog due to some warmer temperatures. So closer to Cadillac, visibility not great, down to 1.3 miles, 0.3 of a mile in Gaylord, 2 in Grayling and Houghton Lake, 2.5 in Mount Pleasant, 2.5 in Pelston, and then around 2 through Mackinac Island, parts of Newberry and Sault Ste. Marie. We have the winter weather advisory in place, highlighted for those counties in the northern lower until 1 o'clock this afternoon. That is for that early freezing rain. Light glaze of ice is expected throughout the morning hours. Upwards of only 1/10 of an inch or less is expected, and some spots will see significantly less than that, but we're still expecting that slick early morning commute, especially south of M72. So travel conditions You know, that messy travel early today. Take it slow. But then tonight, that rain will switch back over to snow. So it could be slick even later tonight. Then Wednesday and Thursday will be trending cloudy, warmer, quiet, perhaps a few early snow showers east on Wednesday morning, but then cloudy for the rest of the day. A look at Tuesday. We'll see that freezing rain, especially south, and then rain mixing back in as our temperatures slowly warm into the afternoon. Closer to southern Alcona County, down into that shoreline of Lake Huron. That's a transition zone later, closer to the evening tonight, where we could start to see that rain, then switching back over to snow. Then west of I-75, you'll start to see that later snow moving in, mainly overnight as our temperatures cool back down. And then that snow will move to the east side. So by early tomorrow morning, Alpena down into Alcona, parts of Montmorency, even Presqu'île, you could see some early snow. Then we'll trend cloudy, even some passing clouds by the afternoon and evening, more of a southerly breeze, which will usher in those warmer temperatures. Then Thursday, even some partial clearing south will lead to some sunshine at times throughout Thursday. Now, our ice accumulation, we already saw quite a bit of that freezing rain early this morning, so this is what we're seeing for right now until later today. So closer to Big Rapids, 0.05 of an inch of ice accumulation, less closer to Isabella County, but you can see that light glaze indicated in the blue colors. Closer to Crawford and into Roscommon County, and that's where we're going to see some of that ice early today still. So the sunshine forecast for those inquiring, when can I see the sun next? Today, not likely. It's going to be very cloudy. Now, cloudy Wednesday, but then Thursday, that's your next best bet for a partly sunny sky, especially for the northern lower. With our next weather maker moving in, heading into the weekend, that means cloud cover will return. 4-zone forecast highs today will be in the 30s. AM fog and overall cloudy if you're in the eastern upper peninsula today. 34 in Alpena and Harrisville, Atlanta, Gaylord, light mix south today. 35 in Traverse City, 36 in Kalkaska, and we'll see that light mix south, mainly south of M72. Mixed of snow, freezing rain, rain, and those highs in the 30s south, mid to upper 30s in some spots. Lows tonight will be in the 20s and 30s. Late snow showers arriving in the eastern upper peninsula, and winds will shift out of the northwest tonight. 31 in Petoskey, 31 in Sheboygan. We'll see some early rain south closer to Harrisville, then that will switch over to snow, then late snow showers overnight. 33 in Traverse City, right at freezing in Frankfort and Benzonia tonight. Rain to snow, and then 30 south, rain to snow. The extended forecast, so that wintry mix south, that light icing early today, and then cloudy north, cloudy tomorrow, partly sunny south Thursday, slowly warming, so mid to upper 30s. Even some 40s, so we are expecting some melting on Thursday. Friday, 30s and 40s are still expected. And then we're expecting that next round of snow moving in for the weekend. Snow north, mixed to snow south, AM snow into Sunday.
What a mess in some areas.
Yeah,
it doesn't take
messy.
much ice to make things slick.
Yeah, and even this morning I woke up, I was looking at radar and satellite, and I'm like, it's pink, and pink is my favorite color, but not when it comes to weather. Because I know it's ice, and it was all south.
Yeah, we took plenty of school closings and things, so
yeah,
an extended break for some people.
Yeah, some schools maybe saw already 2 extra days because we saw some closings quite a bit yesterday because of the quick bursts of snow early in the morning.
And those areas that saw snow, so beautiful on the evergreen trees.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about? It's almost like it's in a Christmas village.
Yeah, it looks like a snow globe.
It really
right
does,
now.
yeah. Saw a lot of those trees driving back from downstate yesterday.
Yeah.
Chris saying good morning from East Lansing. Paul saying good morning from Rogers City. We have a friend Joel watching from the Pleasanton Patriots Pub. It's 33 degrees, freezing rain. So he has to deal with that on this Tuesday. Our friend Susan saying good morning. It's 34 degrees on Supply Road as we head in TC for breakfast with Hams. And then HD to look for new flooring for a friend. Home Depot, maybe?
Yeah.
HD?
Yep.
The 100-acre woods has finally completely discharged and should be up and running this afternoon. So Susan, we always appreciate you watching. One of our, I think, the newest Susan to join the chat.
Yeah.
Bonnie is saying hello from Milwaukee. Rain and sleet there across Lake Michigan. Our other friend Susan, this one, Susan Lash Sims, saying morning again from cloudy Kalkaska. It's 31 degrees. And Joel talking about free snowmobile weekend. Hope the trails are decent.
It's this weekend?
I would guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know it's coming up here soon. I just wasn't 100%.
And then Joel, he's going with B. Tomaloo saying, yay, no fresh snow for me in paradise. Got to get errands done today. Takes an hour to get to a Meijer store. Probably in the Sioux, would be my guess. From Paradise, I think that'd be the closest one.
There's a Meijer in Paradise?
Oh, no, Meijer in the Sioux. Takes an hour to get to Meijer from Paradise.
Oh, okay,
In
okay,
Sault Ste.
okay.
Marie,
I got
yeah.
it. Because I was like, I don't think there was one in Paradise.
That would be news to me.
Yeah, I was really like trying to piece it all together. Driven through there, I don't think there is one.
Yeah. Chris saying schools are closed in my area. They're in East Lansing area. And who else do we have watching? Oh, Susan's guessing B. My mom's watching. She's just a couple miles away from here.
Yeah, hi Mama Kinney. Heard you're in town with Benj.
Saying good morning from beautiful Traverse City. Welcome back, Brendan, and thanks for bringing me back up to a winter wonderland. Yeah, a lot more snow up here than downstate, as you can probably imagine.
Yeah.
We hit, where was that big? I don't know, Pinconning area perhaps.
Okay.
And West Branch, for example. Yeah, a lot more snow. You can definitely see the cutoff. And then she's looking forward to a great week. I already asked Heather. I threw out a nail place name. My mom needs her nails done. Heather goes, yep, it's a good place to go.
Yeah.
And
I've only been once, but then I started going to Epiphany, so haven't gone back. But not for any other reason other than the other spots. Just more convenient for me. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mom's saying you both do a great job and look great too. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mom. Brian said, headed to the river. And he's tagging True North Trout Jordan Valley Outfitters. I don't know if that's two different tags or something, but it looks like one.
That's our friend Brian.
It is our friend Brian.
Yeah.
Oh, True North Trout is one tag. And Jordan Valley Outfitters is another
Okay,
one.
Brian, is it for cruising purposes or fishing purposes? I'm curious.
You have to let us know.
Yeah.
And Gail. Oh, what a cute profile picture. It's a dog
It's
in
a
the
dog.
snow. You have to let us know who that is, Gail. Saying good morning in Kingsley. It's 33 degrees and cloudy. And let me do that refresh, if you don't mind.
Sure.
You don't mind?
I don't mind.
Okay.
This time.
Okay, just this time. That's
Yeah.
all I get away with. Kathy is saying My Oaks schools, went from a 2-hour delay to close due to freezing rain. So no senior exercise today as the senior center is closed today too. Keeping those people safe. If you don't have to go out,
Yeah.
probably best not to if freezing rain is falling.
Yeah, and again, if you just wait until later, once we start to warm, road conditions will improve with the warmer temperatures once we see some melting. So, yeah, if you still have to leave the house, maybe holding off until closer to afternoon
Okay,
would be better.
good advice. And Mark saying good morning from Fremont, Indiana. 37 degrees, wind chills around 25. Everyone have a great day, he has all in caps there.
Okay.
And he's guessing B. Chris is going with A. Gail's going with B. Kimberly going with A. Very Northern Michigan of me. B, A. And Steve saying good morning, cast and crew. Pretty nice this morning. And that's all we have for now, Miss Heather.
All right. So, weather quiz this morning. We're talking about the old saying from the Old Farmer's Almanac. The first 3 days of January rule what?
The coming 3 months. She gone. Oh,
She
she's
gone.
back.
The coming 3 months. That would be correct. So everyone who answered this got it right this morning. And that means Brendan is undefeated so far this week, along with director Gibb and producer Brandon. Facebook viewers are 1 for 2. And we had Corey answering today. Joined us at about 6:21 on Facebook. That's when we're live. You get to see behind the scenes. Now, some questions have been, why is there a box here?
A lot of questions on that, yeah.
Because I have to be on a box to be closer to the monitor, in line with that, because the lighting and camera, we can't really change a lot of things. This is a conference room.
Yeah.
And so we're not going to be changing and putting a bunch of holes in walls that we're only here temporarily, maybe for 2 months. And Joe and Ethan, it works for them. I'm the 1/3 of the meteorologists that do need a box. So we're not going to change everything for that.
Yeah, somebody was like, can't the monitor be moved 4 inches down or something? Yes, if there was a permanent setup, but
Yeah.
this is a temporary setup, so.
Yeah, and this will return back to the conference room, so we don't need to be rearranging the whole thing just for a couple of months. But I am a short person, if you don't know, average, but short in comparison to a monitor on a wall.
And compared to Joe and Ethan.
And compared to both Joe and Ethan, who are very tall.
Yeah. Since we're talking about this temporary set, let's talk about what's going to be our permanent set here.
Well,
in a
you're the
couple
boss,
weeks.
so whatever you want to do.
No. No, we all share responsibility.
You're the boss.
There it is.
Yeah.
That's right across the hall. And we are patiently waiting, right, Heather, for everything to be done.
We're itching to go, but we are going to be patient.
We have no other choice.
Yeah, we really don't have another choice.
And really, there's so much to be done. And we know our local team here, our corporate team, they've been really busy.
Yeah.
And getting everything done. So much wiring, Heather. You should just see all the probably the miles of cables that we have in there.
A lot.
Hooking everything up. Yeah, from the cameras to the big monitors, the lights.
Did you see the monitor that's on the right-hand side lit up last week? Were you here for that?
I think I did one time, like weeks ago.
Okay. But the update yesterday was that the big wall monitor behind the anchor desk and the weather desk there, that was all lit up.
Ooh.
And so it works.
Well, that's good.
So that's good news.
Yeah.
And so there's just like a lot of back-end coding that has to be done so directors can use it and we can put fun graphics in it and have it usable for newscasts. So still behind the scenes, things visually haven't really changed much. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully in the next couple weeks, we can go over there and have fun with everything, all the new toys and gadgets and things. Chris says looks great. I'm glad Chris approves. And then, Gail has an update on the profile picture. It's Daisy. Daisy, our 10-year-old English Springer Spaniel. So thanks for the update, Gail.
I love that.
Hi, Daisy. And Kimberly's saying good morning from Bay Mills Indian Community. Have an amazing day. Peace. Thanks, Kimberly. And let me just go back through, and then we can talk about what's coming up tomorrow.
Sure.
But I think, that's all we got in terms of comments.
Okay. Yeah, we're doing the same thing tomorrow. Well, the live news side of things, because we do that first before this 8:35 Digital Studio Live. So we start the morning show. We're the only Northern Michigan morning show that starts at 4:30. So if you're up early, maybe you're traveling, maybe you have to go to work early, maybe the kids woke you up early.
Can't fall asleep.
Can't fall asleep. Yeah, maybe you're still up from the night before. Insomnia, whatever it may be. We're up and you can wake up with us at 4:30 and we're live until 7 a.m. with news, weather, and sports. And what happens if they don't have cable, Brendan?
Oh, does that mean I can't watch, Heather?
No, you can still tune in. Try
You can?
it. Yeah.
What if I don't have satellite? I'm sorry.
You don't need satellite.
I don't. Whoa.
You just need to have internet.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, streaming live at upperlive.com. The News On app is also a good place to go. You can go back a couple days and watch all the newscasts.
Yeah.
That's free. News On is one word.
Yeah, and if you have a smart TV with apps, you can add it as an app on your Roku TV. And I looked into this, the Fire TV also has it.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Look at us just being on all the platforms.
Yeah. You don't have to sign into anything. You know how when you like open an app for, say, a specific sports company, and they'll have you log in.
I would
you don't
have
have
to take
to.
your word on that because I never signed up for a thing sport.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it's true. 2026, same Brendan.
Yeah.
But say Fox Sports, you gotta log in if you needed to watch, say, the Lions, which are no longer playing.
They won on Sunday.
They did win.
Yep.
So at least there's that.
I watched some Pistons over the weekend
Okay.
with my dad, and some Red Wings,
Yep.
and that was about it.
And do you remember any of the players?
Yeah, there's Kate Cunningham. Oh, I learned the nickname of Isaiah Stewart, Beef Stew.
Oh, okay.
I learned that.
Yeah. Was that a Bob?
Yeah, my
Okay.
dad told me about Beef
Okay.
Stew. And then something about hockey. Dylan Larkin's on the team.
That is
I think
true.
He's the captain.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I can rattle off some facts that I think most people know.
Wait, did you see why the Lions ended up winning against the Bears?
Why?
Yeah.
I don't know, because
Your buddy.
they did. Oh, did Jake do his job?
Jake did his job.
Good job, Jake. Was there like a 2-point conversion or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Cool.
Yeah, at the end.
Cool.
Right, Gib? Or field goal, 3.
Chris, thank you for saving me because I was done talking about sports. Chris wants to know, is the News On app just for you guys or for all the local news channels? Kind of depends. I've seen
Yeah.
some over the years, some channels being taken off News On and then they go to their own streaming platforms. But there are a lot of news stations across the country, Chris, that you can check out.
Yeah, and most Sinclair stations are on the News On app. I can speak to that, but other ones that aren't we don't know.
Yeah.
But if you search the call letters, say for us, WPBN, if it pops up, then it's there. If it doesn't, then it wouldn't be there.
Yeah.
Yep.
I
So you
don't
can
know.
try it.
Yeah, try it. I don't know about Lansing stations, Chris.
Yeah, I'm
But
not
you're
sure.
in the area, so you can probably get them over antenna or cable or satellite. So, all right. Anything else, Gib? Nope. Okay. Heather.
No.
Okay. Oh, and then Mark, watching from Zephyr Hills, Florida. It's 59 and it's sunny.
Must be nice.
Yeah.
Donde estás? El Sol.
He probably feels attacked every time he posts the temperature. Like, oh, must be nice, Mark.
We did warn Mark once he went to Florida that our patience once we're in winter was going to fade
Yeah.
when he's telling us it's nice and warm. And last week it was cold.
And his
Cold,
response
it was
is,
46.
you can hop in a car or an airplane, come to Florida.
And who would do my job?
Ethan would gladly fill in.
But I'd have to come back at some point.
Oh, no, I'm just talking about visiting.
Oh, that's not
You can
long
start
enough
planning your
to
retirement
get rid of
now.
the winter blues. Yeah,
A couple days in the sun wouldn't hurt.
I'm still in my 20s though. Planning for retirement, I like
Never too early to start.
saving. Yes.
You can start planning and dreaming.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Try it.
Yeah. I'll ask Stella what she thinks.
Okay,
she likes it when it's warm. Every time we open the door and it's been cold, she'll run in and shake off the cold, thinking like shaking her fur is gonna make it warm again. Not a
I
fan.
don't know what goes on in that cat brain, but food, I think that's what. Where's the food?
Sleep, food,
Cuddles.
cuddles.
Yep.
Yeah. And maybe biscuit making.
All right, friends. Now I'm hungry. I'm thinking of biscuits. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, have a good Tuesday. We're back here for the Wednesday edition tomorrow morning. Bye.
Bye.